It's App Mentor once again. Today, let me show you how you can export high quality video even if it's in low size on Premiere Pro. First, let's open your Adobe Premiere Pro. From here, open your project that you want to export. Then on the top, click on Export over here. So here, give your file a name. Then select the path you want to save your media. Then on the format, let's change this to H.265 to give your media a higher quality with the same file size. Then go to the Video tab over here. Click this Match Source over here to give your correct settings. Then click on the More button below. Make sure that Render at Maximum Depth and Use Max Render Quality is checked. Next, let's go to Bitrate Settings. Just scroll down over here. On the bitrate encoding, let's change this to VBR 1 PES. Then on the bitrate, let's reduce this one. As you can see on my estimated file size over here, it's 4 MB. Once we set the bitrate to 3.5, you can see that the file size is also reduced. Just be careful not to ruin the quality of your video. Then once done, click on Export on the bottom right corner, and you're good to go. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video!